Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman and welcome back to Insuring the Built Environment. Today we're talking about pollution legal liability insurance. And if you enjoy this video, you can follow my Insuring the Built Environment YouTube channel, or if you want to get in touch, you can go directly to robfreeman.com where you can schedule an appointment with me there. So today we're talking about pollution legal liability insurance. And with the recent headlines of the chemical spill in Ohio, I think that pollution liability and exposure are sort of top of everyone's mind. And in another video, I talked about how the commercial general liability policy excludes most pollution incidents by default. So I thought it would be good to talk about pollution legal liability today because it's somewhat of a unique type of insurance coverage, and it's designed to fill gaps in the commercial general liability policy and in some property policies. So what is pollution legal liability? Well, pollution legal liability is designed to cover any business that owns or manages or develops real estate properties or is involved in transportation over any type of real estate property where you may have some environmental pollution exposure. And so what it does is it fills a gap in the CGL and property policies by providing coverage for things like bodily injury and property damage claims related to pollution incidents, or for business interruption, or for cleanup and restoration costs associated with an environmental condition. It provides defense costs, which are obviously incredibly important because of the number of lawsuits that an environmental claim can bring on from people who are affected by it in a variety of ways over time. So pollution legal liability is also unique in the sense that it can be designed to cover not only new pollution conditions, but also pre-existing ones. So let's say you're a real estate developer and you're purchasing a piece of land or property where you know that there may have been some sort of environmental condition in the past. You can arrange for a pollution legal liability policy to cover the exposures that could be related to a prior environmental condition at that site. And so it's good because it provides not only the coverage for a new unexpected incident, but if you know that there was something in the past associated with a specific property, you can negotiate a pollution legal liability policy to cover situations that arise from that prior condition. And for business transactions involving representations and warranty insurance, where the seller is providing certain reps and warranties to the buyer, and the buyer wants to know that they're being truthful and upfront about everything that's going on, a pollution legal liability insurance policy can dovetail well into that and provide you with additional coverage in the environmental space, which would normally not be included in another type of a standard reps and warranties policy. So that's it in a nutshell. Pollution legal liability insurance is a type of insurance that's designed specifically to cover gaps in the CGL and property policies where there is some sort of environmental pollution exposure, and it's a good insurance type of policy to be aware of if you're involved in any property that has operating or development or management exposure where you could have some environmental condition that could arise. So that's it. I hope you found this useful. If you have questions about your insurance, you can just reach out to me at the link below this video. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.